Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with a quick video on how to roughen plumbing that you need to run when you're doing any kind of project or upgrade. So this here is what I have done in this bathroom here for my customer, also my friend. So basically he had a double sink in this bathroom, which is the master bathroom, and typical toilet, shower. Here's a shower that I just installed, the new shower door. Still got a little work to do, but anyway, this video is about roughing in. So originally, you can see that the plumbing came through the slab right there. And as you can see, it's been cut off, not capped, because there's nothing connected to it, so it would never release water from anywhere. Because this house had a slab leak, so they ran the plumbing in the attic and then dropped it down. So this is existing. These two pipes are existing, and it used to come right out, right about on either side of this drain here. And this side, the same thing. See right there, original plumber, you can see, had to melt, or not melt, or soften the drain, 3-inch drain, so that the wall, so it would fit inside this wall, which this wall is a 2x6 wall. Everything else is 2x4. And you can see it was, we cut that off right there because this sink was didn't have any water, because when they made drops for the sinks, they only put it on this side. So what I did was I came in and did this part. So we used a couple of shark bites because that's what was there already. And you can see I dropped it down there, came out this way, out here with a, for the cold, this is the hot, tied it into the original, put an elbow there, a T there for this side, and then ran it inside the studs. So basically, you drill your holes there, a little bigger than what the pipe diameter is, and in the corner, notch out the corner. Okay, so you can put your 90 there. And then same thing here, there was just not even nothing there. The only piece here was this guy that was coming straight down. So I added this 2x6 piece and this little piece right here to tie it in, and then notched it so the pipe can come through to this stud here and this one here. And then when it came here, this is almost flush to the edge of the wall, the stud wall. So I had spacing back there, so I just came and rerouted it, towards the back, like so. A couple of 90s there, sent it across, drilled some holes there, sent it out this way. And the reason these are not like center next to the drain, which is right here, which this drain is the same as that one over here on the right side, is because the vanity is going to go over. And the center of the vanity top is right lined up with this vent pipe that's going up. And it comes down over here. But as you can see with this one, the plumber had put an elbow here for the original vanity. Well, all I did is added this extension here, this nipple with this. This is from the P-trap kit. And this here will come inside the cavity of the vanity and have plenty of space to run the supplies, hot here, hot there, cold here, and that will go up to the faucet. So it's not an issue, because this one, the center of the vanity is right here in this mark. So if you count, the center of the vanity also is the center of the drain. Comes straight down. It's still going to be coming down because it's 9 inches from the back wall, and the P-trap will be able to work with no problems. Come up and connect it here. So, and this one was a little off, like I said, but this one, it's going to work much better. As you can see, my supply is still to the left, which center of vanity is right there, straight down to the drain, and then the supply lines, with supply valves, will go straight up, which is not a big issue. Most installations, these two are like this, but other than that, In this one here, it just so happened that I had to run it through the stud walls like that. Also, you got to make sure you put these protective plates anywhere that the pipe goes through the stud wall. You got to put a protective plate so that when you come back with the sheetrock and you're screwing, you don't accidentally screw into there and poke a hole in the pipe. Not so much the back one, but the front one.